My name is Lindsay. I am one of the program directors at Rising Researchers, and today I have one of our Rising Researchers students with us. Do you mind introducing yourself and telling us a little bit about yourself?
Hi, I'm Jenny. I am a rising senior at Lhasa High School in Austin, Texas.
Perfect. And can you tell us a little bit about the Rising Researchers class that you participated in?
Yeah, so my class was studying social determinants of cardiovascular health. It was taught by Lauren.
Perfect. And tell us about the individual project that you did.
Yeah, so I chose to study psychosocial stress in the workplace and how it affects risk of cardiovascular disease. So, psychosocial work stress is a social determinant of health, and it's basically occupational stress that occurs in the workplace due to treatment of workers, climate and culture, work roles, interpersonal relationships, and design and content of work tasks. So I wrote a scoping literature review on how this kind of work stress can increase risk of developing cardiovascular disease.
Oh, interesting. Okay, perfect. And what skills did you learn in the Rising Researchers program?
I learned several skills as a part of Rising Researchers. I learned how to utilize search engines such as Google Scholar and PubMed to find sources, and also how to read and interpret scholarly articles. I furthered my knowledge of how to cite sources, how to correctly write a scientific paper, and also just how to be a better and more thorough researcher.
Perfect. And was this your first time doing research?
It was my first time doing like scientific research and like fully like writing like an actual like scientific paper. Um, it was really cool. It's a really cool experience.
Perfect. Good. And so since it was your first time, did you encounter any difficulties or challenges throughout the course? And, how did you overcome those?
Yeah, so probably the most challenging thing I faced during Rising Researchers was being able to narrow down my research topic and to find information about my specific topic. So to address that, I stayed after session one day and talked to my instructor, Miss Lauren, who was able to offer a lot of guidance about selecting and finding information on my topic, which really helped me a lot.
Perfect. And what was your favorite part of the Rising Researchers program?
My favorite part of the program was probably seeing the end result.
Hmm.
So, how all the different parts of the paper that we were studying and talking about came together into one cohesive piece of scientific work, and being able to condense all that work into a poster presentation to share with other students. I also thought it was pretty cool that Rising Researchers allows you to publish your research paper in their journal.
Perfect. And is there anything else we should know about the experience?
I really enjoyed my experience. The classes were very well balanced between learning important, relevant, and useful content, and learning how to actually write the paper itself. My instructor, Miss Lauren, offered great guidance, and the environment was very supportive and collaborative. All my peers were great to work with. I really enjoyed being part of Rising Researchers this summer.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much for doing this.
Of course.